Hi everyone, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I style my Pixie haircut. As you guys know, I cut my hair about like 2 months ago. There's a video on that if you guys want to check that out. It took me a while to see like what kind of style that I want to go for, and there's so many styles, like I haven't experimented that much yet, but this is my go-to styling. The first thing I do is obviously brush it out so that we have a smooth hair to work with. I'm going to be using this Contour Wave Whip curling mousse, a hair comb, and my favorite argan oil in case my hair feels dry in the end. The technique that I'm using is called molding, and to mold you guys need a lot of hair whip. So this is what you guys see me do right here, and applying it straight to the hair. I don't know if I have said this before, I probably have, but this hairstyle was actually inspired by Rihanna in the 2012. I found a Pinterest pictures of her with that hairstyle, and I was like, yeah, this would look good on me since we both share the big forehead girl team or whatever. So once I drench my hair with the whip, I start combing it into the shape that I want it to go. I'm using my finger to make a middle point and just comb it around so that everything lays flat, basically. The most important thing when it comes to this hairstyle is basically the haircut. The haircut makes everything. So if you have a very good haircut, this should be very simple for you to do. I'm using the comb, and I'm also using my hands, as you guys can see, to just flatten it flat. And once we have done that, now it's time to work on the bangs, and I like mine a little bit to the right side. But by the way, I don't recommend you guys to do this once you have makeup on. Do this before you have your makeup on. I just didn't want you guys to look at my crusty ass face the whole entire time, so that's why I did that. But my makeup was messed up after that, basically. When it comes to the sides, it also depends on your haircut, but I like to just smooth it down first, like comb it to my face first, and then just swipe it down so that it makes this shape right here. After I have made my form, I just use my hands to make sure that everything's flat. And before I wrap it, I like to apply more mousse into my hair, just in case we didn't use enough mousse. After you have a nice smooth mold, you want to wrap it. Now you can use the strips, or what I like to use is actually the do-rag. The strips usually break on me, so that's why I started using the do-rag instead, but make sure that the do-rag is very flat so that you don't get unnecessary waves, because we want the very flat look. Now I'm just using my blow dryer to dry it completely, and now this usually takes me about like 15 minutes. If you actually have time, skip the blow dryer and let it naturally dry as well. But just make sure that it is completely dried before you take the do-rag off. Since this looks a little too crispy and crunchy, what I like to do is just take my comb and comb it downwards a little bit. And I'm just doing this to my bangs, and comb it to the right side again. And then that will give me some sort of form, and it wouldn't look very harsh. And if you comb it a little bit more, you can give it more form like this, which I usually like as well. And that's all I actually have to do to get this hairstyle, and I'm so happy with it since I don't have to use any heat on it, and it takes me about like 20 minutes to do. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.